difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get rid of acne because I get a lot of questions on Instagram and people tell me, bro, make a video on how to get rid of acne, how to have clear skin, get rid of dark spots and all. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of acne. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications bell on so that you're notified every single time I post a video, and also drop a thumbs up if you like this video. Number one tip I would give you to get rid of acne is to watch what you eat, which includes your diet, the oily food and junk food you consume, your sugar intake, and the type of milk you consume. Now why am I talking about milk? Because people who take cow milk tend to have acne. Only those who are genetically predisposed to it. Now let me explain. Cows produce certain hormones which can overstimulate the oil glands in your system. So people who have genetically oily skin and the genetics for clear skin are poor can trigger acne to a higher extent, which means their face they'll have very bad acne breakouts. So that's why if you are such a person, you can opt for almond milk. And if you're a person who has good genetics for skin and isn't genetically predisposed to having acne breakouts, you can still continue with cow milk. There's no harm. But the people who are genetically predisposed can have some bad acne breakouts. The same thing goes with sugar, the oily food you consume. It's like there's a quote, you look what you eat, but that's not entirely true. If you eat pizza, you're not going to look like pizza, but it's true in one way. If you keep on eating unhealthy, unhygienic junk food and on a daily basis, that will affect how you look and it will affect your skin too. So on the other hand, if you see a person who has a good diet, who's eating clean food, hygienic food, has a balanced diet, doesn't consume too much sugar, not much oil, just a bit, has better skin. It all boils down to your diet, and genetics also play a role. So now let's move on to number two. Number two is having a proper skincare regimen. If you have an improper skincare regimen, you are bound to have bad skin. Now here's why. Most of you play sports, go to the gym. Like when I go to the gym, and usually it's on legs day when I have a 5 rep max at 4:12, I did this mistake. I used to sweat a lot, and when I used to come home, I was too lazy to just wash my face, do a nighttime skincare routine. We're humans, and we are lazy most of the times. So what happened is I noticed after a week that I started getting small acne dots and some dark spots. Like, oh my god, I need to get serious about my skin. So the same thing goes with you. If you're a football player or any sports player, or if you even come from outside, make it a point to wash your face because there's a lot of pollution outside, and you need to have a proper skincare regimen to have great skin. So to take care of your skin, and your skin will thank you in the coming years. I always stress about this. I have made so many skincare videos. If you take care of your skin now, after 10 to 20 years, your skin will still thank you now and it will still thank you then. Skincare is for life. Number three is the most important of all, and that is water intake. You should consume at least 1 gallon of water a day. You notice the changes, like water helps you reduce puffiness in your skin, your dark circles, and it helps you have clear skin too. Just experiment this for yourself, okay? Go a day and just drink a half liter of water. Just half liter of water a day, and don't drink a lot of water. You'll notice that you don't feel good, you don't feel hydrated, you don't have much energy, your skin looks horrible, and everything's bad. But the second day, you drink a gallon of water, and then see the changes. You'll feel so much more energetic, your skin will look so radiant, and over the time when you consume a good amount of water, that is 1 gallon a day, you'll see noticeable changes in your face. Try this out and let me know, because as I say, we are humans and we make mistakes, and we tend to forget to drink water. I tend to forget to reach that 1 gallon mark, and even I sometimes don't reach that 1 gallon mark, but you should always reach that 1 gallon mark. It gives good results. Yep. Drink water, hydrate. Number 4 is your hormones. When you go through adolescence and puberty, many people tend to have acne breakouts because of the genetics, and that is normal. It may cure over time, but you need to take precautions, take good care of your skin. Yep. So don't just freak out. Maximus, I'm taking good care of my skin, I'm drinking a lot of water, I'm doing everything, but why is this happening? It's just genetics, bro. You're going through adolescence, puberty, there's a lot of hormonal changes. It will subside over time and you'll be okay. So don't freak out. Number 5 is visit a dermatologist. Now, I've seen a few cases and I have a few friends, even following all these tips, they just notice slight changes, and over a year or two they just notice slight changes. So it's better you go and visit a dermatologist, because I think you have a serious condition. So it's better, like, but if you're going to a dermatologist, then just don't do this. Okay, I'm going to a dermatologist now. I don't need to take care of my skin, don't need to have a skincare regimen, don't need to drink much water. Don't do that. Visit a dermatologist for, like, take the medicines, and I don't know, I'm not a dermatologist. Take the medicines and antibiotics your dermatologist gives, and also have a good skincare regimen. Drink a lot of water, watch your diet, eat clean, and you will see magnificent results. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Maximus_Arana. And the topic of discussion for today's video is, did you ever have an acne breakout? Let me know down below. Personally for me, I've never had an acne breakout. I've only had chickenpox and measles. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.